What's up guys, back again with another YouTube video, man. And for this video we have a huge announcement for you guys. So this is going to be Astroice Jewelry's first Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And for our first Black Friday and Cyber Monday, it will be the entire weekend, from Friday all the way to Monday. So to thank everybody who's been supporting us, man, who's been pressing that follow button on Instagram, who's been subscribing on YouTube, putting that notification button, everybody who's been going to our store, everybody who's been getting iced out, man, you already know, with the best quality jewelry, man, right here at Astroice Jewelry. We want to give thanks to all of you guys, and for this Black Friday, all the way from Friday to Monday to Cyber Monday, we'll be having 50% off of our entire store. Yes, you guys heard that correctly, man. So if you guys want anything from our entire store, it's going to be 50% off. So guys, there will be no discount code. The discount will be automatically taken off. The whole entire website is going to be 50% off. So guys, if you ever wanted a chain from us, our premium quality chains, they're going to be all 50% off, and now is your chance. All right guys, a part of our big announcement is that we're doing a giveaway. So right here I have the two chains. A lot of people have been asking, when are you going to do a giveaway? So here it is, our first giveaway, and I'm going to tell you guys how to enter in 1 second. First, let me tell you guys what's in the giveaway. So we have the white gold prong set 12mm Cuban link. We have the chain and the bracelet. Here it is, they're still wrapped up in the wrapping, brand new. And here's the bracelet. There you guys see. I'm not gonna give you guys up close because you guys can see that in our reviews. You guys can go to our 12mm prong set Cuban link review and you guys can go ahead and see that. All right guys, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is comment down below your first name and then tell us what you want us to do in our next YouTube video. You have to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to us on YouTube and turn on your post notifications. That's all you have to do, and you're entered in the giveaway. Thank you guys for everybody who's been supporting the channel. There's a huge giveaway for you guys. The value of this giveaway is around $200. So there's a $200 giveaway right here for you guys, man. All you have to do, I just said, comment down below your first name, what you want us to do in our next YouTube video, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube, and turn on your post notifications for our YouTube channel. All right guys, I will be announcing the winner on Cyber Monday and let you guys know who won this chain. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys for all the support. All right guys, so now that we got that out of the way, man, you guys look out for Black Friday and Cyber Monday and the whole entire weekend, Saturday and Sunday also. Now we're gonna get into the jewelry, show you guys this jewelry collection right here. We got some fire stuff right here, man, some icy stuff. It's gonna have you freezing like this. No, I'm just kidding, you know it's Christmas and everything. But I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll and show you guys what we're looking at. Alright guys, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups, talk a little bit about the chains, the pendants, the watches. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it closer to the camera for you guys and show you guys how it looks. Here's some of our white gold Cuban links. Look at those box locks. Look at the back. All of our chains are gold plated with a very beautiful high quality gold plating. You guys can see right there. These gold platings don't rub off like after you going outside and sweating. These are top quality gold platings. Here's our very famous Cuban link. A lot of people love these. These are a stainless steel base, very beautiful box lock. These are one of our top selling chains right here. If you guys want to go for a plain, simple, plain Jane look, let me go ahead and throw it on for you guys real quick. Show you guys how it looks in the neck. I do have a review of this if you guys are interested in it. See that right there? Very beautiful, very clean look, and we do have the matching bracelet. Here's some chains from our yellow gold collection. This is the 19mm prong set and the 12mm pave set. As you guys can see, the same thing on these chains too. A very beautiful gold plating. These are very nice, very high quality chains. Here's our beautiful watches, iced out all the way around. As you guys can see right there, let me go ahead and show you guys the back. These watches are iced out all the way around. Very beautiful watches. If you guys are looking for an iced out watch, this is the watch for you right here. Top quality, very nice iced out watches. Here are some of our very icy pendants. Custom letters. RIP Nipsey, custom medallions, roses, broken hearts, crosses, inks, hamsas, iced out rings, as you guys can see right there. Go ahead and pick those up for you guys. Very icy, beautiful rings. There's our watches again. And here are beautiful matching bracelets for our chains. We have matching bracelets for all of our chains. And here are very icy tennis chains. And for those tennis chains, you already know it's an automatic flashlight test. So let me show you guys a little bit what these chains do. The sparkle on these chains is just insane. As you guys can see, these chains shine like freaking crazy. Look how crazy those chains shine. One of a kind, the best of the best. All right guys, that's a nice quick look. Here's our chains. When you do order any of these pendants over here, they do come with chains. There's our white gold, rose gold, and yellow gold rope chains right there. You do have a choice of the inches on the website. If you guys have any questions, anything like that, you guys can go ahead and DM us and just feel free to ask us any questions that you want to ask. Any question that you guys have, we will answer. Just DM us on Instagram. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. Make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching, man. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, follow us on Instagram, and look for upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.